Hi, I'm Street Rod Jim, friend of the community and yours. Now I know it's been taking a long time to get this car finished, but you can't rush greatness. And we're still waiting for greatness to show up because we can't seem to find it and finish this car. So today we are going to do a little buffing on the car. We're going to get the doors hopefully solid, locked in, and then get the weather stripping on. We will install some bumpers for the hood to come down, and we're going to try to get our clamps on and any other little nuances, but we're getting really close. Clean the interior also. But here we go. We have our battery charging, getting ready to be able to take the car out. So you're wondering, why did I put the weather stripping on the door? Well, the reason being is once you open the door, you have this beautiful reveal without black weather stripping sitting there, because most people aren't looking at the door, they're looking at the car. So it's something that kind of came up with a year or two ago and decided, hey, that's how we're going to do it. So it's working out really well, and it's given a nice compression to the door when it locks in, so that's good. Looks like I need to get this out a little bit. So I bought a 1/2-inch right angle pneumatic ratchet so I could get in there and torque those bolts down, and then when I opened up the package, it's like, this will torque up to 40 pounds or something. I'm like, 40 pounds? The whole reason I'm buying this is to, like, you know, put 100 or something on there. So that didn't work. So I think my next thing is to use my regular pneumatic gun and get one of those elbow bending 1/2-inch drives and see if we can get in there, because it's just a problem getting in there. It's not big enough to get in there and get those nuts. So in any case, got that. I don't think this got caught on camera, even though I had it all set up. So I got these clamps, and I guess they call it liquid electrical tape. And so that just gives me a nice little rubber gripping barrier, so these things don't move around easily. And you also got a locking nut here, so that works out well. So I'm going to use those to do any kind of nuances on my fender like that. Just press it in, clamp, done. Then I don't have to take off the sidewalls and the headlights and all that stuff. And if I'm driving down the road and I hear ka-kink, 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 then I know what that was, because I've heard that sound before when I was driving. And then I just been cleaning up the interior, getting ready for a photo shoot. So I trying to just get everything all dialed in, but I really want to get the doors in. And then the other thing I need to do, I don't have my list here, is see if I could troubleshoot my little valve tick. So it happened right after I changed the oil to a thinner oil, so that's, you know, one thing that's kind of bothering me a little bit is, you know, it happened right after that. However, it is at the proper oil, so since it's making that noise with the proper oil, we gotta do some tacking. And of course, I can't do that by myself. At least I don't feel comfortable doing that by myself, so we'll get to that. The other thing I need to do is maybe permanently put some bumpers here, which I'll think I'll do that at the end of today so it could have a chance to dry overnight. And man, the list is getting really low. Let me go see if I can find it. Yeah, so the list has gotten a lot lower. This will do tonight. Insulate doors, done. Tighten ratchet, hopefully soon. Side panel clamps, it's kind of half done. This is kind of half done. This is half done. And window trim. I don't want to do the window trim finalizing until these doors are locked in, ready to go, done. So I'll probably get everything else ready to go and then pop that in, and then pull fenders for repaint. I believe that's happening, and I might be able to actually put PPF over one fender and not have to repaint it, but we'll make that decision later. The other one though definitely needs to be at least clear coated, and then PPF. So that's where we're at, but we're doing pretty good. So I originally thought the horn button was going to be the finalizing touch of the whole car, but turns out the floor mat is the official finalizing of the car. All I have to do is the windows, but everything else is done. Getting ready for a photo shoot for tomorrow, so I had to put everything together, even though I don't really want to take these panels on and off on the sides. But we did get to strong arm the doors. They seem to be holding pretty well. So yeah, so doing pretty good. And photo shoot, fenders, windows. Still coming up with a thing for the hood. And then we're done. And then we're done. Looking pretty good.